The Halfords Advanced 100 piece socket set. 100 tooth ratchet 6-point sockets, lifetime warranty. Boom! Oh my god! Lifetime warranty. All the bits and pieces you get. So at the minute, these are on offer at Halfords for, I believe, £100, £30 off. They are. I actually had a £20 voucher from getting my insurance from confused.com. Get a £20 Halfords voucher if you insure your car through them, and I had a voucher going spare. This was on offer, so over £20 off, so I got the full set for £80, which I think is a bargain. So that's what you get in the set. The light's a bit funny, but you get these Allen key extensions. Does it tell you on the box what they are? Long reach Allen keys, basically, for your sockets. You get 1/4 inch sockets, you get long reach stars, T20, goes up to T55s. You get 3, what do you call those? Knuckle extension type things, are they? You get some more smaller Allen key type things, small hexes. You get your screwdriver, you get 3 ratchets, you get some Allen keys, you get a range of sockets, you get extension bars, you get deep little sockets on 1/4 inch drive, and you get probably every spark plug spanner you'll ever need. 3 different sorts there, and it comes in a handy cover case. Now, to me, to buy one of these is an absolute no-brainer. The lifetime warranty says it all. You break it, take it back to Halfords, they'll replace it. No quibbles, no arguments, they don't even need the receipt. As long as it's a Halfords genuine part, and all of the Halfords Advanced basically have their engravement on them. You just take it back, they just change it. This is a new set. This is the 2021 model. They've slightly changed the ratchets from the old type. The old type had a I'll show you the old type. I've got my 170 sitting there. So the old type had a, yeah, that's the old type. It's got more of a knobbly button on it. And we'll compare it to the new type. And the new type it's actually quite longer. It's actually a longer, completely longer ratchet. Completely longer. What's the 3/4? 3/4. Is that longer? Yeah, the 3/4 is slightly longer as well. I think the 1/4 is the same. Yeah, the quarters are about the same size, but yeah, the ratchets are improved, slightly longer. They've got a different type of button, but basically the same. But yeah. So yeah, if you're in the market for a decent socket set, which isn't going to, you know, break the bank, as to say, then Halfords Advanced to me is the way to go. As I say, the lifetime warranty just says it all. you know, you'd be crazy not to, you know, buy a cheap set for 20 quid, see how long it lasts. You're just never ending. They just don't end. You'll just be buying them forever in a day. Whereas you buy a, you know, a decent set. I've had this set for a few years, this big set. And to be honest with you, there's probably a lot of stuff on there I don't use. So the smaller one, if the smaller one had the spanners as well, it would be great. But obviously, you know, this is just it's going to keep it in the car, in the van, as a bit of a, you know, bit of a backup basically. And that's it. So yeah, definitely recommend. I say at the minute they're on offer for 100 quid, and I don't think you can go wrong for 100 quid. So yeah, Halfords 100 piece socket set, 100%, thumbs up, happy days.